Big Schoolhouse by Richard Scarry. Color. Huckle will show some of the things he has painted. He painted pictures of some red things, like an apple and a strawberry, a fire engine, a heart, and the inside of a watermelon. All those things he painted. And some orange things he painted. An orange pumpkin, an orange, a carrot, a bus, a goldfish. And yellow. Yellow is a bright sunny color. Look at, he painted a daffodil, some corn, a banana, cheese, a lemon, and a bell with his yellow paint. Many things are green and some bugs are green. Look at, there's green peas and lettuce, a leaf, a pine tree, blades of grass, the outside of a watermelon, a bug, a clover leaf. Look at how they paint. Many things are green and some bugs are green. Look at the bug that's green. Huckle painted a blue sky. When it is cloudy, the sky is colored gray. Be careful, Huckle. Here's blueberries. Blue, it says blue. Here's the cloud. There's the sky and the bluebells. Here's a sailboat. Look at that. Huckle tipping over with his paintbrush into the paint can. Now we're going to talk about here, violet. It says here that Huckle painted the floor violet. Purple is almost the same color as violet. Look at, here's the violet flower, the pansy flower. Here's a plum. Here's a thistle. Grapes. Here's a bunch of grapes. Colors can be light or dark. A potato is light brown. A chocolate Easter bunny is dark brown. See? Here is light and dark. That's a lighter brown and that's a darker brown. All these things are brown. A shoelace, a walnut, and a potato. He painted some black things like a tire, a gumdrop, a doorbell, a hat. Besides painting pictures, Huckle painted himself. Wash the paint off, Huckle, and put on a clean smock. Thank you. Here's some white things he painted. A white egg and a snowman. The snowman has a broom here. He has a carrot and a hat. Now we're going to talk about mixing colors. Huckle will now show how to mix two colors together to make a third color. Okay, Huckle, begin. Looky here, Huckle says. Red mixed with yellow makes orange. If you mix red with yellow, here's yellow and here's red, it makes orange. Here's yellow, green, and blue. That's a frog right there. Yellow, green, and blue. Well, yellow, it says yellow and blue mixed together make green. Yellow and blue make green. Red and blue make violet or purple. If you mix red with this color, blue, it will turn into this color, violet. Red and white make pink. See, this is red mixed with white and it makes pink. White and black make gray. White and black make gray. You are a fine color mixer, Huckle. Now, will you be able to remember how to mix colors the next time you paint? Of course you will. Look at all these paint colors. Can you name these colors? What do you think that color is? Red, yep. And this one? Yellow, How about this one? Yep, it's blue. Blue. And this one is white. This one is black. And this one is white. And this one is red. And red and yellow. Very good. And what do we say here? Red and yellow make orange. Yellow and blue make green. Red and blue make purple. Red and white make pink. Good job. Can you guess this one? White. And black. Yep. It makes gray. Good job, everybody. The end.